Hey y'all, welcome back to Sparkle and Trade. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are spreading joy and support in the trading world, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about our Sparkle 500 challenge. That's what I'm calling it, hashtag Sparkle 500 challenge, where we're taking $500 and we are growing that money. Now, over the last few months, I have been sharing with you guys about my love for vertical credit spreads, the SPX, doing vertical credit spreads on the SPX. And last month, I introduced how to grow a small account. Now, I never really ventured off into the other ones, but let me tell you, I recently did venture off into some of the other equities accounts. You can trade an equities account and it's a cash account. If you don't know how to trade, get Teri's course. It's in the below. So a lot of this is going to be over your head. If you're like spanking brand new to trading, you got to get trained on trading before you jump into this jungle. But if you kind of already know how to trade or you're already in her course, another option for growing a small account, how to grow a small account part 2 is what we're going to be talking about today. Now, I suggest you start off with like $500, but believe it or not, if you use some of these other equities accounts, you can actually start off with less. The equities account that I'm talking about is SPY. SPY is a ticker symbol that follows the SPX. Is just a cheaper, it's like the SPX on discount. You know, if it takes $400 to do an SPX, you can do it for like 40. I mean, it is on a discounted rate, but you can buy options in bulk. And so you can actually make money quicker if you trade on the SPY. So that is what we're going to be shifting our strategy instead of doing the SPX to grow our $500 challenge. We are going to be trading the SPY, which follows the SPX, and it cashes out on the same day. So you can still get paid 3 times a week. Now, I want to give you guys an update because I told you guys that I'm doing growing my account and I'm trading 3 times a week. And so I did want to let you guys know that Wednesday went great. It did exactly what I wanted it to do because I accidentally, I didn't do good on Wednesday getting into the trade and losing 2 day trades on Monday. So I knew on Wednesday I had to get into a great trade and let it expire so I wouldn't be charged a day trade. And so that's exactly what happened. I got into the day trade around like 1:30ish, 2, it was more closer to 2, and I let it run. And if you saw the SPX yesterday, it did a huge dip in my favor, thank God. So I didn't have to get out of the day trade because everything was in my favor. That means I got the $200 that I was planning on getting for that day trade. Now, because I'm going to be trading the SPY on Friday. I could potentially make, depending on the premium that I get in, $500 or more. Now, mind you, I was telling you how you can make 111, 222, 33, like, but if you trade the SPY, you can triple that amount per day. So that is the power and the potential of trading the SPY, which we're going to do a shift gears and we're going to get into trading more of the SPY. I'm not sure why I haven't been doing this long before now. I think I really enjoy trading the SPX. I understand it. I've watched it for so long, and I'm the type of person that once I get the rhythm of something, I like to stick with it. But the SPY is the exact same rhythm. It's just a whole different equities account. So let's shift gears, y'all. If you have been trading the SPX, don't look at it anymore. If you have a small account, look at the SPY. Trade that. You will grow your account quicker. You will get more money. And overall, you'll be a happier person. So let's do that. So right now, like last time you guys saw, my account was at 883. This side account that I have is now at 1,083.70. So I'm gonna be shooting for, initially I was gonna be planning to shoot for $200 tomorrow to get to $1,200. But instead, I'm going to be shooting for close to 4 to 5 because I'm going to do SPY, and you can trade more options, make more money in a vertical credit spread, and that means your account can grow even faster. So we're looking at exponential growth. We might just hit that $5,000 mark by the end of the month or even sooner if everything goes as planned. So I just wanted to log on with here really quickly to share that with you guys. Also, because I'm only going to upload once a week on YouTube, and if you guys want to know what I'm planning to do, like before I do it or as I'm doing it, because I can't like jump on here while I'm doing it, I created a Twitter page called Sparkle and Trade. I'm on Twitter. That's what I'll be sharing with you guys, like what I'm about to do, or you know what's going on, or my thoughts about the market and different things like that. You can go to Sparkle and Trade on Twitter, and that is where you can follow me to find out like real-time information. I might go live sometime on YouTube real time as we get this thing going. But as of right now, if you want to follow me in real time as we do this $500 challenge, because I told you guys, if you have a small account, you can grow your account. My suggestions today is we are shifting gears and leaving the SPX because it's so expensive, and we're going more over to the SPY because you can grow faster with even more options. You know, you can take your little bit of, I guess, $1,000, 500, or you can do way more with $500 than you can in the SPY than you can in the SPX. You can do one contract with the SPX, but with the SPY, you can do way more. I think you can do like at least 3 contracts, and again, remember, contracts are 100 shares, so it grows quickly and it will help you to grow your wealth. So let's do that. Let's shift gears. Let's do that. And you guys can know from this moment forward, for the rest of the month, the $500 challenge is no longer going to be looking at the SPX, so expensive. It's going to look at the SPY. We're going to trade that equities account. Again, I've always traded the SPX. That's why I love vertical credit spreads. And I also trade other things, ticker symbols like Netflix, Amazon, Apple, Chipotle, Shopify, you know, a lot of different ones that I feel like move a lot during one day. But I particularly like the equities accounts that close 3 times a week, because that means you get paid 3 times a week. So that is I just wanted to log on here and share that with you guys really quickly, to share, you know, where you can find me on a regular basis, what I'll be talking to you guys about, Sparkle and Trade on Twitter, and also make sure that we're shifting gears. If you're joining this challenge, that we're shifting gears from SPX to SPY. All right. Have a good one.